Welcome to our channel. Today we will be making hot and sour soup, also known as suan latang, which is a popular soup in Indo-Chinese cuisine that originated in Sichuan province of China and brought to India with Chinese immigrants. Let's get started. The first thing you should do when cooking Chinese food at home is to use the largest stove and the thinnest vessel you have. Use a regular kadhai with a pincer if you don't have a wok. Start with a small amount of refined oil in a kadhai and add chopped garlic and fry it on high flame for few seconds until fragrant. Then add chopped ginger and chopped green chilies and fry for a few seconds. This will act as a tempering for the soup. Then for the veggies, add chopped carrots, chopped green beans, chopped broccoli florets, chopped bell peppers, and chopped button mushrooms. Fry on high heat for a minute to remove any raw and earthy flavors in the vegetables. Next, add water until you reach the desired quantity of soup you are making. Since we have already added vegetables to the soup, there is no need to add vegetable stock. Add salt, MSG, dark soya sauce, and red chili sauce to give the flavoring to the soup. Stir your soup and boil it for 5 minutes. To thicken the soup, take some cornstarch, mix it with water and make a quick slurry. Add this slurry to the soup to thicken it slightly. Remember, it is not a thick soup, so thicken accordingly. Take the soup off the heat and add the juice of 1 lemon for the sourness. Finally, finish it with the garnish of chopped spring onions. There you have it, a hot and sour vegetable soup, a bowl full of contrast where every sip is a discovery and every spoonful is a celebration of flavors. Subscribe for more such recipes, and until next time, happy cooking!